Welcome back, everyone. It's Tone Solo, but I'm not solo today. Caleb's back full time. We have an 18 Yukon, and I just want to give some education out here to some people. Ready? So you love Yukons, you can't afford to buy a new one that's not in your budget, so you're going to buy one a few years old, and you this, and you say, hey, there's a light out in the back, or someone tells you there's a light out in the back of your car, and you're like, yeah, let me take it in and get this thing, get the bulb replaced in it. Well, guess what? There's no bulb in this. No bulb in this. Yeah, same thing with here. This is your light bar. It's all LED. So what does that mean to the average customer who doesn't budget for a $400 taillight assembly, or maybe even more? So let me just take the helper off here. So I'm going to look it up for you, and we're just going to see what it costs. Now, if you go to GM, I can imagine what it costs for a taillight assembly. So 2018 Yukon tail light. You ready? So this would be your true cost. This means the consumer going online and doing his homework by himself, or going to a junkyard and hoping that you get a good one, right? $315, $365. Amazon, $86. But I would not say that this is a good quality part. There's usually a difference why pricing is 86 to over 300.
These will probably work,
but for how long?
You'll probably get condensation in the lenses. That's gonna be your biggest issue.
This is your Band-Aid.
Yeah, you know that's
even that is a lot of money for the average person to say, I need to fix my brake lights, or brake light, or brake lights. So just call this $100 anyway. $200 for 2 taillight assemblies that aren't broken.
And fitment isn't always great. I've ordered
that too.
I've ordered headlights, taillights off of Amazon.
So the fitment's not going to be that great. And then if you're not a car guy, you don't have any tools, and you don't want to YouTube, then you're going to have to go to the shop and pay the mechanic to do it, which nobody wants you to carry in crappy parts. If you brought an AC Delco part in a box, GM part, they'd be like, yeah, okay, no problem. I know it's going to fit. I know it's going to work for the most part. Yeah. But yeah, the days of your 3-cent light bulb and $10 in labor are far gone. Thanks for watching.